Hi everybody, Brian Tuck here at Groove Kennett Square. Hope you're all doing well. And I wanted to show you an exercise that I've been working on with my students here that I just call 7/8 punctuation. And this is in 7/8 obviously. And basically it's a way to crash off of both hands while playing rudimental figures on the snare. I was watching a lot of Steve Smith the last couple weeks and really amazed at his ability to just be very fluid off of both sides, right and left, and meanwhile playing something fairly busy on the snare drum or off of the toms if you like. But basically we're just going to do a 4-measure grouping, and there's a PDF linked to this post here. So click on that link and you can download that. All we're doing here is we're grouping 4 bars of 7, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2. Pretty simple. I'm just going to play the basic pattern here so you can get a feel for it, and then we're going to walk through some variations quickly here. Okay, pretty straightforward, right? Now, what we're going to do here is instead of just playing straight eighths, we're going to play single paradiddles where the 2s are and a double paradiddle where the 3 is. So we've got right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. We're always alternating hands even though the pulses seem to shift around. So I'm going to play that once on the snare with accents on the bass drum, and then I'm going to move it up, play it again, and move my accent hands up to the crash cymbal and the ride cymbal. Here we go. Okay, you get the idea. Now you can also, obviously you can speed that up or slow that down, or there's a million different variations off of that, but that's the basic idea. Now the second idea is to put this into a triplet meter and use 3s and 5s. So stick with me here on this one. You'd basically have, in this construction, you'd have a triplet, a 5-lit, a triplet, a 5-lit, and then you'd reverse it, a 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3 on the 3rd and 4th measures. I'll play that basic pattern just on the snare with the accents on the bass drum. Okay, and now we're going to put the accents up on the cymbals. Okay, that one you probably want to feel like you want to play it a little bit faster. There's actually a way to do that sounds impressive, but it really isn't that hard. All you got to do is just substitute a triplet roll hand motion in for all those single strokes. So I'll play the pattern just on the snare, and then same deal, play it up on the cymbals. Here you go. That's fun, isn't it? Let me do that one more time because I could have done that a little bit better. Let me give that a shot. Here we go. Okay, so this kind of stuff can be a lot of fun, and you can, take 2 bars of 7 and against 4/4 time signature, and everybody ends up at the end of the phrase at the same place. So I hope you put that to use in your own playing. If you have any questions, please email me. The email is embedded in this post, and I will talk to you all soon. Everybody stay safe. Be cool, and thank you for watching. Take care.